Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this week's video, we packed up for a quick trip up north to escape the rush of the city once again. The colder weather is now upon us, and this time of year might be one of my favorites. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and leave a like and comment if you enjoyed watching. When we got to camp, we started a fire in the wood stove and made some coffee. Then we went out to explore the trails and do some hiking. During our hike in the area, we found these freaky holes in the ground. Most likely they're sewers that were left open and everything just grew in around them. So good thing that we saw them and we didn't walk right into them. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. If you enjoyed this one, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, so you can be notified when I post new videos. If you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave them below in the comments. Stay tuned for more outdoor adventures, and we'll see you next week for part 2.